Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Leeds Building Society customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top, this address bar, you need to type down Leeds Building Society and enter it. And from the search result, you need to select this top website here. So once you're inside this home page, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom. And from here, you can find help and contact. Here in the left hand side, select that. So from the help and contact, you can scroll a bit down here. And if you have any issue with the savings, mortgages, login and registration, or any of the mentioned here, you need to simply select that. And from here, scroll a bit down. And if you find any of the common question relatable, you can open the question here. And from here, you can find an instruction. And if you need more help, you can simply dial this number here in the top. And before contacting support, make sure you have your account or mortgage information ready for verification and never share your password, PIN, or security codes. And that is it. That is how you can contact Leeds Building Society customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.